can't ride the Jeep with you.
I didn't say you can't. You wanted to bring it over here. There's no room.
Oh, there's no room for it over
Dad,
there.
like, I wanted you to come to
Watch. It don't make the bike noise, nothing. Stop.
It's kind of good that it don't. That bike noise gives me a stroke. I don't like it. Right there on the bed.
Actually, the rice is done. The rice is done. There.
Go ride the Jeep.
Okay.
I don't have.
Go eat your oat
You
milk.
don't need a key. It just goes on.
The little Kickstarter.
These boys, they don't like shit like this. You let it.
Well, then Romeo has another 2 more bikes.
Hey, Mom.
What?
Where's the keys?
It doesn't need a key, Puma.
Well, I put my wheel in it and it didn't go deep enough.
It didn't go deep enough.
It didn't start up.
You just